How animals build climate-smart homes, better than humans. Just like humans, many animals instinctively design and adapt their shelters to fit the climate and environment. It's part of bioclimatic adaptation in nature. Here are some fascinating examples. In hot and arid climates, deserts. Termites in Africa build huge mounds with ventilation shafts that regulate heat and humidity, acting like natural air conditioning. Fennec foxes dig deep burrows where underground temperatures are cooler than the desert surface. Kangaroo rats in deserts make burrows that reduce water loss and protect from extreme heat. Hot and humid climates, tropical regions. Weaver birds build hanging nests in trees, allowing airflow to keep them cool and safe from ground predators. Leafcutter ants construct underground colonies with complex ventilation tunnels to manage heat and fungus farming. Orangutans make daily tree nests high in the canopy for better ventilation and safety from insects. Cold climates, polar and mountainous areas. Polar bears dig snow dens that trap body heat and protect cubs from freezing winds. Arctic foxes use burrows that insulate against the cold. Beavers build lodges with thick mud and wood walls, storing heat inside and even creating underwater entrances to avoid frozen surfaces. Temperate climates. Birds orient nests to avoid prevailing winds and get maximum sun exposure. Squirrels build drays, leaf nests, in tree forks that are well insulated for winter. Badgers and foxes dig sets, dens underground with multiple chambers for seasonal temperature regulation. Lesson from nature: animals instinctively use passive design strategies, ventilation, insulation, orientation, underground cooling, heating, the same principles humans rediscovered in sustainable architecture.